Racing just is started. We have Novel Scholar. Break quickly to start. Moving up on the outside. Cannon will cook it. Is down on the inside. Dugos Pet. Bold Water. Alam mo na yan. Escape the stag. Get on the outside. Is Power of the Wind. Then followed by Do It David. Rock Hard second last. While Batang Bukid is the early trailer. Right at the far turn. We have Gun and Will this time by about 4 lengths. Guket in second, Dugos Pet now coming closer in third. Moving up on the outside, Noel Scholar skip the stag as they swing for home. We have Gun and Will this time draws clear by about 6 lengths, followed by Dugos Pet in second, by Daryl Coquette with about 75 meters of the race. Can and Will followed by Dugos Pet, and finally it's Can and Will. Dugos Pet, Coquette, then comes number 4, Novel Scholar, Bold Water.